If you're in a relationship with somebody who is unwilling to meet you halfway and do the work to make your relationship better, in the long run, this relationship is not going to work. And let me tell you why. I've seen this a million times. It takes two people to make a relationship work. And you can go to individual therapy, and you should if you can afford to do that, because it's a huge gift. Self-awareness is what you need in order to improve your own life. And when you improve yourself, you absolutely bring a better you to the relationship. And that can have a positive impact and will have a positive impact on the relationship. But what ultimately happens when only one person grows, and I've seen it over and over and over again, is you eventually outgrow the relationship because the relationship's not growing with you. And the relationship, when you're the only one willing to do the work on yourself and on the relationship, it becomes very one-sided. And you start to resent the fact that your partner is not willing to do the work. And the longer you stay, the more you feel like you're just enduring this. And so if you have a partner that's not willing to do the work, that's not good. You should continue to work on yourself, but don't be surprised if you work yourself right out of this relationship.